Hi, this video is around my experience visiting the ServiceNow World Forum last year in London. I know it's little late, in fact it's very late, but hopefully this video would provide some guidance around what the event is, how to reach to the venue, and what to expect from it. Now, what's the event? ServiceNow World Forum is an event that brings together industry leaders, innovators, and experts to explore the latest trend in digital transformation and workflow automation. It's a great platform for networking opportunities and to know the product roadmap. It features insightful keynote sessions, hands-on demos, and network opportunities, allowing attendees to discover how ServiceNow's technology can enhance IT operations, improve service experiences, and drive business growth. The forum is held in multiple cities worldwide, including London, Munich, Tokyo, and Sydney. And this time, I'm traveling to London to attend one. As I live far away from London and have to travel from north of England, I boarded my train a day before the event after my office hours and reached King Cross in the evening. From here, I took the underground from St. Pancras underground station, and after just one crossover to the Elizabeth line, I reached the Custom House station in just 30 minutes of time. I followed the Google map and walked to my hotel. It was just 12 minutes of walk from the station. This place has got hub of hotels and has got few pubs and restaurants as well. This was it for today. See you tomorrow with the big day. Good morning. Got up early and got ready for the big day. After just 9 minutes of walk and taking the Prince Regent DLR station stairs, I reached the Excel building. If you're carrying any luggage or heavy coats or jackets, you may just keep it in the cloakroom and walk towards the ServiceNow counter. You will get plenty of guidance on your way. Kicked off the day with keynote session, and then the day was occupied with other breakout sessions which I had chosen from the ServiceNow catalog for the World Forum for that day, and also checked out different exhibition counters displaying some innovative solution during the lunchtime. This is the catalog which I referred before planning for this visit and pick the sessions of my interest based on my client's roadmap. There is also a mobile app which you can download and mark the sessions you want to attend. It was quite handy for quick reference. I hope this video was informative and helpful if you have not already attended one of these events in the past, and hope it provides guidance for you first. Thank you.